Where are you feeling unwell?
I have a bad headache since morning.
How long have you had this headache?
It started yesterday evening and hasn't gone away.
Have you taken any medicine for it yet?
I took a painkiller, but it didn't help much.
What kind of pain is it?
It feels like pressure on both sides of my head.
Do you have any other symptoms?
Yes, I also feel a little dizzy.
Did you sleep well last night?
Not really. I couldn't sleep properly because of the pain.
Do you have any allergies to medicine?
No, I don't have any known allergies.
Are you under any stress lately?
Yes, I've been working a lot this week.
Do you drink enough water every day?
I think I drink only a few glasses a day.
How often do you get headaches?
I usually get them once or twice a month.
What do you usually do when you get a headache?
I rest for a while and take some tea.
Have you had your eyes checked recently?
No, it's been over a year since my last eye test.
Do you wear glasses or contact lenses?
Yes, I wear glasses for reading.
Do you think your headache could be from eye strain?
Yes, it might be because I use my computer too much.
Do you work in front of a screen for long hours?
Yes, almost 8 to 9 hours a day.
Do you take short breaks while working?
Not really. I usually forget to take breaks.
Do you feel pain behind your eyes too?
Yes, sometimes it hurts behind my eyes as well.
What kind of work do you do?
I work as a graphic designer in an office.
Do you feel pain in your neck or shoulders?
Yes, my neck feels stiff most of the time.
Do you have any fever or cold?
No, I don't have a fever or cold.
Would you like something for quick relief?
Yes, I need something that works fast.
Would you prefer tablets or syrup?
Tablets would be better for me.
Do you want me to suggest a mild pain reliever?
Yes, I would appreciate that.
How often do you take pain medicine?
I only take it when it's really necessary.
Do you take any other regular medicine?
No, I don't take anything regularly.
Do you usually have breakfast in the morning?
Sometimes I skip breakfast when I'm in a hurry.
Do you drink too much coffee or tea?
Yes, I drink 3 to 4 cups of coffee a day.
Do you think caffeine might be causing your headache?
Maybe. I never thought about that before.
Would you like me to recommend something natural too?
Yes, I'd like to try natural remedies as well.
Do you use any essential oils for pain relief?
No, I haven't tried any before.
Would you like me to show you a herbal balm?
Yes, that would be great.
Do you need something for relaxation too?
Yes, something that helps me sleep better.
Would you like me to write the dosage for you?
Yes, please write it down so I don't forget.
Do you want to take it after meals?
Yes, I prefer taking it after eating.
Would you like me to explain how to use it?
Yes, please tell me how to take it properly.
Do you want me to include something for stress relief?
Yes, I think that would help me a lot.
Do you often feel tired during the day?
Yes, I feel tired even after sleeping.
Do you get enough fresh air or exercise?
No, I hardly go out because of my work.
Would you like me to recommend a vitamin supplement?
Yes, that sounds like a good idea.
Do you prefer tablets or chewable vitamins?
I prefer chewable ones. They're easier to take.
Would you like to buy both medicines today?
Yes, I'll take both today.
Do you need a bag for your medicines?
Yes, please give me one.
Would you like a receipt with the details?
Yes, I need it for my record.
Do you want me to explain possible side effects?
Yes, please tell me what to watch out for.
Do you know how long you should take this medicine?
No, please tell me the duration.
You should take it for 3 days. Is that fine?
Yes, that's perfectly fine.
Would you like me to give you something for emergencies?
Yes, that would be helpful.
Do you live nearby this pharmacy?
Yes, I live just 2 streets away.
Would you like to register for our loyalty card?
Yes, I'd love to join your pharmacy card.
Do you often buy medicine from here?
Yes, I usually come here when I need something.
Would you like me to note your phone number for reminders?
Yes, you can take my number.
Do you want me to text you when we have offers?
Yes, please inform me about offers.
Would you like to pay by cash or card?
I'll pay by card today.
Do you have your card with you?
Yes, it's right here in my wallet.
Would you like me to pack it separately?
Yes, please pack them separately.
Do you want me to include a small leaflet inside?
Yes, that would be helpful.
Would you like me to explain the storage instructions?
Yes, please tell me how to store them.
You should keep them in a cool place. Is that clear?
Yes, that's clear, thank you.
Would you like me to check your blood pressure too?
Yes, I think that's a good idea.
Do you feel lightheaded sometimes?
Yes, I feel that when I stand up quickly.
Do you have a history of low blood pressure?
No, I've never had that problem before.
Would you like to get your sugar level tested as well?
Yes, I want to be sure everything is fine.
Do you visit a doctor regularly?
No, I usually come to the pharmacy for advice.
Would you like me to recommend a good doctor nearby?
Yes, please suggest one close to this area.
Do you have medical insurance?
No, I don't have any insurance yet.
Would you like to apply for one?
Yes, I've been thinking about it recently.
Do you want me to help you fill out the form?
Yes, that would save me time.
Would you like me to print the instructions in English?
Yes, English would be easier for me.
Do you want me to give you the pharmacy's contact number?
Yes, please write it on the bag.
Do you have any questions about your medicine?
No, I think everything is clear now.
Do you feel better after talking about it?
Yes, I feel much more relaxed now.
Would you like to come back for a follow-up check?
Yes, I'll come after 3 days to update you.